What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm actually redoing this intro to my video because I was using this shirt mic as I forgot my dead cat, my other mic, and the shirt mic just ended up being terrible audio quality. So I decided I cannot put a video out like that. So I'm just redoing this intro here right quick. All right, so the agenda for today's video is basically we're gonna go get some gas, hit up Starbucks, do a little treat myself. It's my birthday. Was my birthday, turned 27. And then after that, we're probably gonna go shoot a few quick photos, take you guys along with that. And then I have an appointment at BMW to get my wheels balanced and aligned. Just because when I was detailing a couple weeks ago, I had a wheel weight fall off. And then also there's some pull in my steering to the right when I'm going like 45 and I let go of the wheel. And I just want to get things straightened out because even the littlest bit of unbalance in your wheels can cause uneven wear on your tires and even your suspension. So I just want to make sure I handle that as soon as possible before I take any like super long trips. Another point of this vlog, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I haven't dropped a video in a couple weeks. And recently I was just on vacation, went up to Puerto Rico. So that was really fun. I've never been to like a tropical island like that. I definitely suggest you going like at one point in your life. Definitely helps if you know Spanish, or at least go with someone who knows Spanish so they can help you out. But yeah, that was really fun. It was nice to just get away. Now I feel rejuvenated and I'm ready to pump out this content for you guys. I got a lot planned. So also another thing is I've been having thoughts of wanting to sell my car.
What did you say?
And yeah, it hasn't been an easy decision process. I mean, I really don't like, I'm just like debating whether I want to do all the maintenance on my car right now and just keep it long term, or not long term, maybe for like another year or two. But I'm really just leaning into like selling it and just getting into a new build. I really want to get into like a 6-cylinder engine with BMW. Still saying BMW, I know that for a fact. And I don't want to go quite M3 yet. I got a bachelor's degree in finance, so it really pains me just to take out so much debt on a depreciating asset. I know it's not like the smartest thing to do, but so that's why I'm not going to go full M3 yet. But I do want to probably still will take out a little bit of debt, just because I mean I have this YouTube channel and I'm just so passionate about cars and BMWs in general, so I think it'll be worth it for me. But yeah, guys, trying to decide which car to get has not been an easy decision for me. Please let me know in the comments what build you want to see next, and I'll definitely consider it. I'm leaning towards just the B58 engine, so either the 2, 3, or 4 series. So here are my thoughts with the current B58 engines for the 2 series, 3 series, and the 4 series. So with the M240i, I really am leaning towards that one. I really want to test drive one just to see what how small it feels in the coupe. But my one thing about that car is I really am not the biggest fan of the front end, or that front bumper. It's just like really round and it's not as aggressive as like M2, of course, but the M2 doesn't have the B58. And I can't quite go to the competition yet, so not really sure on that. But I just feel like the M240 with the B58 would really move, and it would be a really fun car to drive. I have rode in a M235 and I didn't get to drive it, but it was good, but it was definitely more of like a rough ride compared to like a 3 Series. It was way more sporty. So my thing with the 340i, what I'm also considering is that I'd pretty much just be paying more money for the same car, just different engine that I have right now. So the interior like wouldn't change at all really, except for paddle shifters. I'm definitely gonna make sure I get a car with paddle shifters this time. So I don't know, I'm still really considering it. And then maybe doing some maybe updating the interior as far as like the instrument gauges. Maybe upgrade that to like a digital setup, just so that feels kind of new. And then I think the iDrive will be updated as well. So maybe we can get CarPlay in there and it'll just like feel like newer technology to me. Because that's the whole point of upgrading, right? Is to have that new feel kind of. And then I actually did get to test drive a 440i, and I didn't really like how like long it is, I guess. I don't know, it just didn't feel right with me. And I feel like if I'm gonna have a car that long, like I want to be able to utilize like all the space in the back seat as well. And I don't know, I just didn't like the feel of it. So I probably just narrowed that down to the M240 or the 340i. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and we'll see what I get. This isn't like a selling my car video, but if you're interested or know someone who is interested, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at F30skirt, and I'll be sure to get back to you with all the specs and the maintenance done. Really taking great care of this car. It drives really well. So it's really hard to get rid of, especially being a Sorrel Blue, one of my favorite BMW colors. And I literally had to like battle someone at the dealership to get this car. So they came and like checked out the car the day before I did, but didn't put a deposit down. And so I showed up the next morning. I was like, all right, the car checks out, looks good, let me buy it. And then next thing you know, the guy shows up who saw it yesterday and was like, no, I want to buy it. And they're trying to honor his deal, even though he didn't put the deposit down. So we went back and forth with the manager, and it was a mess, but eventually they let me take the car home because I was the first one there saying I wanted to buy it, like ready to go. So I got lucky there and was able to snag the car, and I'm very glad I did. Also, side note, I do use this app called Upside. I'll put my code in the description below. So if you download the app and use my code, you get some cash back. So all you gotta do is just take a picture of the receipt. It scans it, and that's it. And at this location, it's saying I'm gonna get, I think, 24 cents per gallon cash back. So that's pretty good. I just got 8.8 gallons, so you do the math. All right, switched over to the phone. Got the 50mm lens on there. Let's see what we can get. So right now I'm just shooting in like aperture mode. So I set the ISO to 100 so I can get the best picture quality, even though I'm not in the best lighting, and I can adjust the f-stops. So that came out pretty cool. And this mini tripod is definitely helping a lot. Having it on the lower ISO, you really need to have a really stable camera so you don't have any motion blur. We get a nice wheel shot right here. Some good lighting. And I just realized I was shooting landscape this whole time when it needs to be in portrait for Instagram, so redo some of these shots real quick. Yeah, so it looks like BMW even washed my car too, so that's a plus. I thought they just washed the wheels, but it appears that they washed the whole thing, so that's cool. I'll take it. Got some new weights on there. Looking good. Just got a couple more videos planned, so we'll get those filmed this week and out next weekend. And yeah. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to refill windshield washer fluid. Really easy. Just pop open this cap right here. I'm gonna pour in the whole bottle since mine's empty, and then fill up the rest with distilled water. And that's all you gotta do. So this was about $4 at the BMW dealership. Pretty inexpensive. Now we'll just pour in distilled water until we see it starting to come up the top. I think I wish I had a funnel. There we go. All right, and we're good. It's no longer draining down, so it's full. And now I shouldn't get an annoying light every time I start the car and a little ding telling me that I'm low on windshield wiper fluid. And good to go. Alright guys, that pretty much does it for this vlog. Just wanted to catch up after being out of town and kind of update you guys on the status of my car. I probably will list it for sale soon. I just want to get into a newer build. And let me know if you're interested in my car. Hit my DMs or send me a message on YouTube. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button and the bell notification for future videos. And just like that, we're out. Peace.